here after check, I apologize, after check dependency we have to also publish our provider using php artisan publish vendor gem publish. We have to publish our provider, and number of list are like this: php first we have to here on number step 12 composer dump auto load. Okay, then php artisan vendor publish. Number of providers are loaded here. So here HTML PDF service provider is our requesting provider. So we have to point it using one. HTML PDF service provider as one. So one publishing complete, and then we have to follow this 13 step: php artisan db seed and seeder method. Thank you.